Hi guys, welcome to Exploring Excel. In this video, we're going to introduce pivot tables. Pivot tables are a great tool to summarize large amounts of data. So let's get started. We have this data set here that contains a list of months, names of fruits, details of fruit sales revenue, cost of sales, and quantity sold. What we want to do is create a pivot table and then summarize the data and then answer a few questions. So to start off, we'll select the first header, Control-Shift right to select the entire header row, Control-Shift down to select the entire table, click on Insert in the ribbon, click on Pivot Table. It will show you a pop-up window. You select Existing Worksheet, select the location, we'll put it right here next to the table, click on OK, and you have your pivot table skeleton. Now what you want is to start putting in fields that you'll be using. So we're going to put in months, and here you can see all the months in this column summarized right here. You can drag in fruit, so you can see which fruits were sold in which months. And then we're going to put in sales revenue, we're going to drag in cost of sales, and then quantity sold. We can click on the cross right here to get rid of this section. You can bring it back by clicking on Field List in the Pivot Table Analyze ribbon header. Now, I prefer to see my data in outline form. You could choose whichever form you want, but I'll choose outline form. So this is what it looks like. We're going to change the, we're going to create a new field called calculated field. So pivot table analyze, fields, items and sets, calculated field. And we're going to call it profit. Profit is sales revenue minus cost of sales. Click on add, click on OK, and you've got your sum of profit. I'm going to change the field formatting to accounting without decimal places. So click on the comma here in the home ribbon tab and then get rid of the decimal points. Now we're going to answer a few questions. We're going to determine what month was most profitable, which fruit was most profitable in that month, least profitable month, least profitable fruit in that month, month with the highest product turnover, and month with the lowest product turnover. So to answer the first question, we're going to select the first item in the first column, right click, expand collapse, collapse entire field, and now you have a nice little summary of the data. You want to see which month was most profitable, so you select one of the values in the sum of profit column, right click, sort, largest to smallest, and there you have it. September was the most profitable month with a revenue of $475,000. So we'll just plug September right here. We're going to plug in sum of profit right here. Now let's see which fruit was most profitable. You can expand this section and you will see names of all these fruits, but this is not sorted, so you will have to select the value in that column, right click, sort, largest to smallest, and there you have it, raspberries, and sum of profit is $205,721. So we're going to select raspberries, plug it here, and plug this here. There you go. Now, least profitable month. Well, that's right at the bottom. So November was the least profitable. We're going to plug this in. We're going to take the profit amount, plug that in. Least profitable fruit, that would be coconut. So we're going to plug that in. We need coconut amount, so only $2,365 worth of profit on the sales of coconuts. Now let's see which month had the highest product turnover. So we'll sort this, largest to smallest, and you can see that June had the highest amount of products sold, so plug that in. Sum of quantity sold, month with the lowest one, November, not unexpected, seeing as it was the least profitable month. And quantity sold, there you go. And that's how you make pivot tables and how you analyze the data. That's all, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, see ya.